Let's get litty.
Oh, yeah. How you been though, bro?
Doing good, bro. How you doing? All right, guys. So we got Nate back on the channel. We are gonna ride today up to my boy Seth's house, relax, and I'm tired. I worked all day. I'm exhausted, but had to get out for some wind, and it's gonna be a chill ride. So let's get it started, guys. And unfortunately, this was the cleanest. It was the cleanest. By the way, guys, he just started a YouTube channel. It's called Bikes on Water. I'm gonna go ahead and zoom in on there now. Go ahead and subscribe to him. Give him a few likes, and go ahead and comment on his stuff. You know, thank God I finally found somebody that actually rides locally with me, man. Because everyone I know, they stay in Conway, they stay in Myrtle Beach, man. It's shitty. And but this guy here, he's local, man. Lives right down the road from me, so it's dope. If I don't feel like, you know, riding for 45 minutes to go ride, I could just hit him up and be like, yo, you want to go for a quick cruise? And go do it, man. So I think they're gonna start opening stuff back up here in Myrtle Beach shortly, even, you know, with COVID-19 going on. So we'll see how it goes, man. It's still not out of the woods. I can't believe that they're gonna start opening up the beaches and the hotels. And you know, I understand everyone's, you know, excited to get back, you know, the money rolling and everything else. That's pretty much what it's about, is just the money. But you know, you got to look out for people's safety, man. Like, don't get me wrong, I haven't worked out in a month and a half, and I go to the gym every single day. Well, not every single day, 5 days a week, and I haven't gone in a month and a half, and it's killing me. I've been working out since I was 16. So yeah. The cop's like, what the f is he doing? Look at that cop. That cop's like, dude, this guy's a dumbass. You're a cool cop. Thank you, bro. Had to thank the homie, man. That's a homie right there. I don't know if he rides or not, but that's a homie. Hey, I'll race you to the white line. I'll race you. Yeah, to that red sign. Got him. Got him. Got him. I've also been thinking about getting a like a Grom to start stunning on, popping little wheelies and stuff like that. One, the Grom is just so small, great on gas, and insurance is cheap. They're cheap enough, and they're fun. I mean, you could just go, you could be on road, but then if you wanted to, you could just shoot right off and go on some little trail that you find and stuff. And I think that that's pretty cool. So I've been thinking about getting a Grom. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments, and leave a like on the video if you haven't already, and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Hit the notification icon so you always know when I upload. Let me know where you guys are from. I've got a few more subscribers now, not too many more since the last time I asked, but yeah, let me know down in the comments where you guys are from. How's the weather out there? Let me know if COVID-19 has affected you. Just talk to me, man. I'll talk to anybody.
Alright guys, so right now we've got I forgot dude's name right there, my bad bro, on a new R6. Freaking, oh my god, that thing's nice. We got Nate, what's up? We've got I forgot his name, and we got Seth.
That felt good, bro. That felt really, really good. Oh, man. So, sorry, guys, I haven't been talking. I've been really just vibing, man, and kind of just, you know, enjoying the ride. For me, I just get so involved in the music, and I just freaking just go, bro. There's no way to explain it. Oh my god, my daughter loves this song. It's Old Town Road. I love singing it with her in the car. It's so adorable. Oh my god. Until I can't no more, I got the horses in the back. Horse sack is attached. Clean, boy. Clean. It's beautiful, beautiful. Seth is wildin', bro. She's even wilder. Cause she just don't give a f. Let's go, boy. She's just hanging on, but she's like, oh, whatever. Fuck, dude. That's wild. It's one thing when you're the one wheelie in the butt, you know what I'm saying?